Everything's fine. No, it's coffee. I mean, yeah, I'm keeping one hand distance. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Bye. Call me.
How beautiful is this morning? So it's nice and sunny. You know, it was really cold this morning, and now the sun is up and shining, and it's really early. What's the time? It's really late. Sorry. चलो. Let's go.
वैसे आज रिकॉर्ड सही है तुम्हारा, सिर्फ 1 घंटा ही लेट।
Okay, now we have to take a right. Okay, this one right here. Are this one?
क्या हो गया?
I said take a right. We have to go to Kunnur, right?
ठीक है यार, तो ये किसने कहा कि कुन्नूर का एक ही रास्ता है?
Dude, this rasta is like 3 hours extra.
तो ऐसा है मिस घोट के रोड ट्रिप्स का मजा ना लंबे रास्तों में।
अच्छा?
शॉर्टकट्स तो ऑफिस जाने के लिए लेते हैं।
आगे आगे चलूं मैं, पीछे मेरी जिंदगी, थोड़ा सा जी लूं आज मर्जी है मेरी। कच्चे कच्चे रस्तों पे जिंदगी है टेढ़ी सी, रोशन है रात और सुबह मेरी अंधेरी सी। बीते लम्हों को बुला के, पल थोड़े से चुरा के, पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए
यार जो कल रात को 4 लाइनें लिखी थी ना, they were pretty good यार। I didn't want to jinx it, इसलिए मैंने उस टाइम कहा नहीं।
हाँ बता। They were pretty good, but ऐसा लग रहा है उतना ही था मेरे इसमें। I mean पता नहीं अभी। I'm still not feeling like I'm there यार। पता नहीं।
ठीक है ना यार, I don't have to push it. Take it slow, धीरे धीरे हो जाएगा।
हो जाएगा।
चले?
Cool. I'm driving. Give up.
जैसे कहानी है बड़ी, लंबे लंबे रास्तों पे जिंदगी है छोटी सी। इस पल को जी लो जैसे पल है कोई आखिरी। बीते लम्हों को बुला के, पल थोड़े से चुरा के, बीते लम्हों को बुला के, पल थोड़े से चुरा के, पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए पल धीरे धीरे बहता जाए
तो अभी भी लेना शॉर्टकट?
Fine, you were right.
As always. नीलगिरीज की खूबसूरती ऐसी है कि 3 दिन रेड हिल्स में बिताने के बाद भी मन भरा नहीं। तो इसीलिए एक इम्प्रॉम्प्टू रोड ट्रिप और लंबे रास्तों के मजे लेते हुए हम पहुंचे द अदर साइड ऑफ ऊटी, अ स्मॉल बट ब्यूटीफुल हिल स्टेशन कॉल्ड कुन्नूर। पिछले 3 दिनों में हमें बस 2 चीजों की आदत हो गई थी, ट्रैंक्विलिटी एंड टी। And what better than spending a few more days at a charming place that not only offers those two but also come with the lovely hospitality of a charming host.
I always knew that this is where I wanted to be. So when I had done my hospitality management in Switzerland, I was in 2 minds whether to work for a hotel chain or a smaller hotel for a few years and then come back to the Nilgiris and start something, because I always had it in mind that I'm going to start something here in the Nilgiris. So I asked one of my professors there what his idea was. Should I work with a hotel for a few years and then move on? And he said that you're as ready as you'll ever be. So that was the only statement I wanted to hear. I never asked anyone else about it and made up my mind that I'm coming back here. So now we are into specialty teas. So that's what I personally focus on. So teas like the hand rolled tea. So what we're trying to do is to recreate teas the way they were done 200 years back before machines came in to existence. And now most of the teas are machine made because it's easier, and also simply put, we don't have as much labor anymore as they used to at that time. So we're trying to recreate teas that used to be made maybe 200 years back. So that's my passion now, and that's what we're doing. I may have told you this last time. You cut me, this only tea flowing out, no blood. Our life is very laid back, a lot of time in hand. Even though we're busy, we can still make time for people. We have a very cosmopolitan crowd and very friendly crowd. So we've got people who moved in from all over the world and settled down here, maybe because of the climate, maybe because of the people, maybe because of the landscape. So that's made the place. And yeah, so that's the people is what I would say the one point that makes it special.
After sipping through countless varieties of specialty teas, अब बारी है कुन्नूर के कुछ और local flavors try करने की. And after taking some recommendations from Sandeep, we decided to walk down the gastronomical memory lane. And our first stop, Hotel Ramchandra and its iconic Wellington Paratha.
अरे भैया आप लाते ही जा रहे हो?
Dindigul mutton biryani. What is it? Dindigul mutton biryani. Okay. So we have Dindigul mutton biryani. We have chili chicken and we have Wellington paratha.
Okay, Abhishek, tell me what you feel about the paratha.
Meat good, egg good, paratha good.
I second that, ditto.
I don't know how I'm going to finish all this. But everything was so good. मुझे लग रहा है कि I wish I had that much capacity. I can have two stomachs. एक full हो गया, बाजू में रखो, दूसरा full हो गया, दूसरा रखो.
कहीं पढ़ा था कि stressed spelled backwards is desserts. तो अब इतने हेवी लंच के स्ट्रेस के बाद थोड़ा डिजर्ट तो बनता है. और ऊटी या कुन्नूर आके चॉकलेट्स नहीं खाई, मतलब मंदिर जाके प्रसाद नहीं चखा.
I could stay here for an entire day.
It was started in 1951 by one great man called Jonathan.
Okay.
He only started this in Ooty, a small shop in 10 by 10 for selling chocolates and other things.
Okay.
Slowly it has been developed. The shop is there for more than 70 years in Ooty.
Does it have a coffee bean?
Yeah.
Coffee bean.
Yeah.
आप गिनते गिनते थक जाओगे, खाते खाते थक जाओगे, वो खिलाते खिलाते नहीं थकेंगे. मैं आपकी बात कर रहा हूँ, मैं नहीं थकूंगा, मैं तो खा लूँ. आओ अपना कुछ. ओए हो गया तेरा? तब से एक चॉकलेट से आइसक्रीम से केक. What are you doing?
This day can't get any better.
Challenge accepted.
I'm telling you.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again it has been proven that traveling with Abhishek is just not that intolerable, just a little bit less intolerable, because it was his idea to come here to this beautiful station of Lovedale. Do you think you can just leave everything behind and just come here and stay like forever, settle down? Yeah.
यार मैं मूविंग टू माउंटेन सीरीज बनाता हूँ इसी के लिए तो सही. अब आई एम ऑलवेज लुकिंग आउट फॉर इंस्पिरेशन यार, और एक दिन मुझे लगता है कि आई माई सेल्फ विल मूव टू माउंटेन्स.
Really?
हाँ यार. तुम्हारा क्या सीन है? व्हाट अबाउट यू?
Honestly, बताओ? I don't think so. Because see, for a month it will be nice, it's peaceful, it's serene, I'll take it all in, and then after that I just like, I start missing the city, yeah, the pace, the pollution, the people.
देखो एक चीज़ तो है कि एज टूरिस्ट एज ट्रैवलर अपन लोगों को क्या लगता है कि एवरीथिंग विल बी एकदम हंकी डोरी और लिविंग इन माउंटेन्स वुड बी सुपर ऑसम. बट हाँ मतलब देर आर जॉयज बट देर आर अ बंच ऑफ चैलेंजेस एज वेल. और वो बोलते हैं ना, द ग्रास इज ऑलवेज ग्रीनर ऑन द अदर साइड, वैसा ही.
Maybe Abhishek was right, but not today. Because today the grass was greener on our side.
Saying we'll get late, hurry up, get up early. No, but you guys want to have tea, you want to go for a drive, you want to have chocolates, you want to have paratha, then you want to do tea tasting, then you want to go to the club, and then in the end you guys want to sit and for a good till late in the night and then get up late tomorrow in the morning. What the hell, yeah?
तो क्या करें? मर जाए?